Now let's check our answer with synthetic division, which is a great way on this test. It's really quick. If you get synthetic division really quickly, I would check your answers with your long division. Make sure everything went right with it. Again, synthetic division starts off exactly the same way as long division did. We have to write it out in long division form to begin. And we have to represent every term that wasn't represented with a 0 coefficient for it. So we're going to rewrite this. We've got x plus 2 into 6x cubed plus 0x squared plus 2x minus 1. So same setup for both, identical. Now, for synthetic division, the first thing we want to consider after we've written it into the form that we need, the long division form, we want to consider what is going to make this expression 0, this binomial x plus 2. It's the 0 of this factor. So what do I need to plug in for x to make this 0? And the answer to that is -2. And that goes in a little box. I put it in a box to keep it separate from the next few things which we're going to bring down, and that's all the coefficients. We're going to bring down the 6, the 0, the 2, and the -1. Make sure you bring down the signs associated. So 6, 0, 2, and -1. Leave a little space and draw a line. And I like to put a multiplication sign right next to the line because I'm going to be multiplying what's inside the box by what's below the line. And the first thing that drops below that line is this first coefficient. It's a double drop of the first coefficient. So that 6 drops down to here, and then it drops down below the line. Then I'm going to take what's in this box and I'm going to multiply it by what's below the line. So -2 times 6 is -12. That gets put into this next box. Then for me, I like to put an addition sign in between these two lines because I'm going to add these two lines together. 0 plus -12 is -12. Now again, I'm multiplying what's in the box by what's below the line, and that's going to pop up in this next box. So -2 times -12 is +24. And I'm adding these two lines together now. 2 plus 24 is 26. Multiplied the -2 in here times the 26, and we got the -52 here. And then we add these two together. So -1 plus -52 is -53. Once we're here, we can start putting in our terms, our x parts with their degree. So since we're taking an x cubed and we're dividing it by an x polynomial, we're going to get an x squared polynomial as a result. So this will be 6x squared. Then we're just going to go down by degree. So x squared was first, so next will be x. Then we're going to add our constant, and we're having a remainder of -53, which is what we started with. 6x squared minus 12x plus 26, remainder -53. Either way we do it, we're going to get the same answer. So if you can do this way, this is a great way to check your long division. Make sure you did it right. Alright, hopefully that helps with that, and if you guys like these videos, I can try and start doing them more regularly. See you on class on Tuesday or Wednesday.